we discovered coconut butter a few months ago and it has been pretty life-changing. So we wanted to share it with you. The brand that we like is the Artisana organic coconut butter. It's pretty much, and all brands are pretty much like hard frosting, except it's just organic raw coconut. So there's no added sugar, there's no funky ingredients. It serves as a quality fat as opposed to a carbohydrate. There are gonna be some carbs in it, but it's super beneficial for your health. So you're getting the added flavor boost without compromising your health. We buy ours at Natural Grocers, which is a grocery store around here, but you can also buy it online. We've included the links below for you. And one of the benefits is that it melts, so it's really good over a sweet potato, especially in place of marshmallows. I'm thinking mainly of Thanksgiving, but any time of year it's great with a sweet potato. It's also really good with even just berries, whether they're fresh or frozen, or a banana, and heat it up as a dairy-free dessert. And then you're balancing your carbs out with the quality fat. And a quick, easy way is to just throw it into your smoothie or maybe even your morning coffee, and even just eating it a spoonful at a time. It's quite delicious. Please like this video, share it with your friends. If you like the product, be sure to recommend it to them. And if you're looking for other recipes and ideas, check out our Facebook, website, and Instagram, and continue to follow us for more videos. We appreciate all of your support. You better believe this stuff is great. Have an awesome day.